Krishna. My name is Prathanga from class 3rd.
My name is Krishna Parmar from class 3rd. My name is Kuldeep Pal from class 3rd.
My name is Pradeep from class 3rd. Now we are going to make a project in Sketch application. Let's see how to make now project. Go to Scratch.jr. From home option we can go to a front page. Click on add page. From this option we can go to our favorite background. We can choose our favorite background. I choose moon background. Now we will delete this character.
Left.
Now we can choose a new character from add option. We will take a stone.
We'll make an avatar from paint option. Here I will fill color and make eyes. For run this program, we have to choose blocks. Firstly, choose run block.
Choose a start block. Yes.
And we will go motion block. Choose move right. And
Yes, turn.
turn.
Yes, this one. Click.
We will be take
Hook. Next hook.
turn right, and then we will take
Hook block.
hook block, and we will take turn.
No. Move right. Move left. Take move left.
Move. We will be take move left,
Then take run. Turn.
then take turn right,
Hook.
and take again hook. Go. Then take go home and repeat again.
For the more movement, what we have to do?
We have to number.
From where we stop the program? Okay. Change number.
There will be
10. Then 12. Change turn 12. 12. This is 20. Again 10. Move left 10. Choose 1 0 1. Yes.
And
Move left, turn left, choose 12. Yes.
there to fail.
Now we have to run the program. See our program completed. Thank you. This is our